what I see the most in having the biggest negative impact on an older adult's balance is their decreased level of activity that comes along as they get older. Now again, I want you to really understand, being older does not automatically mean your balance is going to be worse than it was when you were younger. But there is a connection with being older and reducing your activity level for several reasons. It's that reduction in activity level that is often the main contributor to people's poor balance, which means we can have a great effect on your balance simply by implementing some increases in your activity.